In this video, I am going to show you how to create a cent account in VtMarkets broker. So log into your VtMarkets app, allow it to load. So when you are connected, it will bring you to a page such as this. Click on the home page here. It should bring you here. At the middle part on top, you will see a number. Click on it. It will bring you to the account management page. So you are going to click on new live account. Let's create a new live account. So we want to select the trading platform, whether you want MT5 or MT4. I prefer MT5 for everything that I do. Then the account type, you are going to change it from the standard STP. You are going to select the cent account. So you can see they have cent ECN and cent STP. Now, do not be confused with whatever types that you are seeing being displayed for you. Basically, there are two types of accounts: the raw account and the standard account. Any other things you see them writing for you here is simply a variant of any of those two. A raw account simply means that the spread are zero. So there is no spread at all. But no matter how, a broker needs to make money. So if they are not charging you on spreads, they will be charging you with commissions. Okay, so for raw ECN, the spread is zero, and then they will charge you a commission. It can be $3 per lot, 2 point something dollars per lot. Okay, whereas a standard account does not have a commission, but it has spread. So the basic thing is that if you are a scalper, you need a raw account. If you are a swing trader, you need to be using a standard account. Okay, so that is just the difference. Now, whether it is swap free simply means that if you hold a trade overnight, they will not charge you any fee for holding the trade. If it was not swap free, then every trading day that crosses to the next trading day, they will now charge you a fee known as the swap fee. Okay, so we have standard account, raw account, and then swap free account. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to go with the cent ECN account. So click on the cent ECN account. The currency, you see it already, is in US dollars with a C, which means US cents. So accept their terms and conditions by clicking and ticking this box. Then click on submit. So we will wait for them to create this account. Congratulations, our account has been created. We should receive an email containing our login details regarding the account so that we can connect it to MT5 right now, and I'll show you how it works. So click on OK. So here we are under the account management. This is the account. If you click this drop down here, you will see that it has any win rate. If you start taking trades, you will see it here, and you also see the leverage on your account, which is 1 to 500. Okay, so let us go to the email now and use the details there and connect it to MT5. So here we are. Here is the email address. We can see we have our login here. We can copy it. We have the password given to us that we can use on MT5, and we have our MT5 server name here, VtMarkets Live 3. So let me copy the login number, then we will go to MT5. So when you log into your MT5, it will bring you to a page like this. At the top left hand corner where these three bars are, just click on it. Then you will see manage accounts. Click on manage accounts. Then you click on the plus sign you are seeing. If it's your first time, you see a plus sign in the middle. So if it's not, you have connected to any other account, just check the top right hand corner. There is a plus sign there. Click on it, then type the name of your broker, VtMarkets. So we can see we have VtMarkets here. Click on it, then we will search. The server was VtMarkets Live 3. I will paste the login number now, and we'll go back and copy the password. So paste the password here, and then click on login. So we have been connected to VtMarkets. You can see it, and you see this USC means is US cents. When you click the quotes, you can come under your quotes. All these ones that are faded, you cannot trade them. So you will go to the plus sign at the top right hand corner, click and check. Okay, so you will come over to this folder VT, click on it. So you see all the ones for cents account that you can trade, like this Forex. Now you see it has C attached to it, so you can now select whichever one. Let's say this AUD card. You can do AUD USD CHF JPY. Now let's click the home, click this back button, and you see it has been added here. You can now click and hold it, go to your chart. So it has opened the chart for us. You can begin trading if you want using these red and blue buttons. See, when you click, it will drop it down for you. If I want to take a trade with a cent account, let me just show you the difference between a cent account and a standard account. You see, if I was to enter 0.01 lot on a cent account, this is a cent account, and you are to set your stop loss somewhere just above this tip here, it means you'll be risking 1.2 cents. 1.2 cents, just 1 cent. That's what you are risking. But in a standard account now, this would have been $1.2, not cents. So a cent account will allow a beginner to trade with a little amount of money. You have the option to keep trading using a little amount of money, because if you deposit, even if it's $10 you are depositing, that's 10 times 100, so you have 1,000 cents. And if for this trade now you are risking just 1 cent, how many times will you be taking trades before you will even blow the account as a beginner? So this type of accounts, the cent accounts, they are very good for you to practice your strategy as a beginner. Once you are good with it, that is when you can now switch to a standard account. So if you want to increase the lot size, you can easily do it. And one thing with a cent account, to have the same type of risks as a standard account, you have to open like one lot. So you see, if it was one lot that I added here, so you can see that if it was one lot now, the risk will be 126 cents, which is the same thing as a standard account with 0.01 lot. One lot on a cent account is equivalent to 0.01 lot on a standard account. So as a beginner, you don't need to be using the one lot. It's good you use something smaller just to practice your strategy. That is the good thing about a cent account. And also another good thing is that any profit you make from a cent account, you can actually withdraw it. So it is a real account. It's not fake. Okay? It's a real account. It's not like a demo account where you can't withdraw your money. So if you are transitioning from a demo account to a real account where emotions are involved, the best is to start with a cent account first. So this is how you can use that of VtMarkets. You can see, because it was the raw account, this ECN directly, just look at the spread of this particular asset now, very thin. let me use 1 minute. The spread is that gap between the red and the green is what is known as the spread. And for this row account is small, just that they charge you commissions per lot based on how they go about it. Okay, they will charge you commissions per lot, whereas for a standard account this gap of red and green will be wider, but they will not charge you any commission. That is just the difference. So if you are scalping like on 1 minute now, this is the best type for you, the raw ECN account. But if you are going to be holding your trades over time, go for the one that is swap free. Okay, so if you have any other question regarding how to create a cent account on VtMarkets and also to link it to your MT5 and start trading with it, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.